Meaning of flatfish.
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 Flatfish. Flatfish is a type of fish that has a flattened body and swims sideways. It belongs to the order Pleuronectiformes, which includes over 700 species, such as flounder, sole, and halibut. Flatfish are unique because they have both eyes on one side of their head, enabling them to camouflage themselves on the ocean floor. They are commercially important for their white, lean, and mild meat and are consumed worldwide. Some flatfish can grow up to several feet in length and live up to several decades, making them a fascinating and important part of the marine ecosystem.